Hello everybody, so today we are going to look at this tool called GSmartControl. So if we just do uh, Batman search for GSmartControl. So GSmartControl tool is used to just check the hard disk or SSD health, right? So if I just do still GSmart control, so if we just open like this, and here you can see my SSD over here. Now if I just click over here and we have enable smart, and we go on the right click and we have to do is a view detail. So here I have the full information of the my SSD card. So important one is power for 814. So I want, this is the temperature, right? So if we have any problem, we can look at over here. Since there is no red color, so it's working fine. So it's been a while since I used this SSD, like for 2 years. So I just want to check what's going on. Is it working properly or not? So this tool is very good for that. And we have the stat. So one more thing is to look at the self test. Here you have the short self test, and we have the extended self test. So I have done extended this one yesterday, and I got this complete without error, and that is also so life hour, so hour of a drive powered on lifetime when test is completed, or then we have the temperature log, and we have the advanced. So if you want to check anything, so one more thing, if we cancel it, so if you were to plug in the SSD or with external drive, right? So what you need to do is to just rescan the device list. So my device is not showing. I think that hard disk is already dead. So this is the tool. So thank you guys.